Hey TikTok fam! Today I'm going to show you how to get the cool PlayStation 2 filter for absolutely free. This effect is trending on TikTok, and you can create awesome videos with it without needing any third-party apps or spending a dime. Let's dive right into it. Now open the TikTok app and head over to the search bar by tapping on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen. In the search bar, type Retro Game Filter or Retro Game Effect. You'll see a couple of filters at the top of the screen. Look for the first filter that has the AI text on it. Tap on this filter to open a page where you can see all the videos that use this effect. To create your own video, tap on the Use This Effect button at the bottom of the screen. This will open the TikTok camera. You'll have the option to choose a photo from your gallery or take a new one. Tap on the plus button to open your gallery, then select the photo you want to use with this cool effect. Wait a few seconds as TikTok analyzes your photo and applies the effect. Once applied, you'll see a before and after animation showcasing the PlayStation 2 filter in real time. Start recording your video with the effect and capture some awesome content. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it. For more TikTok tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe to my channel.